Hey, all you viewers of Name Later, how we doing today? I just feel like a Slim Shady song all of a sudden, wanting to go like, guess who's back? Back again. Rivertown Trading, back again. My God, they released this new one. I picked it up over last weekend. I've been using it. I've been hooked on it from the get-go. That's right, Rivertown Trading Company is back with their Jake Beard Oil. Brand new, just released like a week ago. Whoo, it is good. You need to go get it. Alright, now that I've already shilled, for you guys who are familiar with Rivertown Trading, go ahead and skip ahead about a minute. I'm going to give a bunch of info about the company like I love to do. You can find them over at www.rivertowntradingco.com. Don't worry, I'll leave that down below in the description box. They are proudly made in the USA out of Carrollton, Kentucky. And I got to tell you, how I found out about them, I had another company reach out and go, hey, go take a look at them. Their products are better than mine, I think. And I'm like, right. Well, he's got good products. Now, Joe Mahoney is the boss. And I say it that way because, well, he's like a husband. Excuse me. No COVID, fat boy allergies. They're a husband and wife team. But I like picking on Joe. You know, he's a guy I got to make him think he's in charge because we all know who really is the boss. They opened their doors basically in 2019, and man, they are just going strong. Now, I've brought them to the channel before. Take a look right up top. You can see a card for every single beard care, skincare, hair care I've ever brought to the channel. You're going to find, one of them at least up there when I'm shooting this video. One of the stuff that I like that I didn't catch on the last ones that they did is right there. There's a batch number on there now. I thought that was kind of interesting. I'm like, wow, okay. Now, the scent well, wait, I got to back it up. This is what kills me the most about this one. Their son Jake created the scent. He basically had it, but they had to just refine it just a little bit to get what his vision was. To me, this is kind of like a perfect summery kind of scent. It just reminds you of sitting around, a campfire and doing some incredible things. Now, the profile on it is vanilla, bourbon, campfire, and root beer. I ain't gonna lie, once you put it on right away, bam, that root beer is right there. But man, it just mellows into like a smoky, bourbon-y kind of scent. And it's just, you get that great feeling, seriously, of sitting around a campfire. And you're like, this is cool. You're there drinking, your bourbon. Your son or daughter, whatever, has their root beer. And you're having that good quality family time. Now, I don't know if I said 1 ounce amber bottle is going to run you $16. I bought the combo with the butter over Memorial Day weekend when they had a sale. And yes, I will be bringing the butter to the channel at a future point. This deserves its own, wow, what a day I'm having, its own video. Now, the scent strength on it is medium. Like I said, it's just like medium to me. It lasts me about a good 8 hours. Seriously, I could smell it that long. It changed about the 4-hour mark for me, from like a root beery right into that smoky bourbon. I'm serious. It just, right off the bat, bam, root beer. Yeah, even right out of the bottle, straight root beer. But man, did it ever change. Now, it does come, like I said, with the eyedropper top. If I didn't say it, sorry. There's the color for you guys care. It's got that golden tinge. No big deal. It's just with the carrier oils. And to me, that's about a medium strength. It's not really runny. It coats beautifully, works in the beard great. And man, it seriously softens up my beard. It got in there and I'm like, man, this is a great feel in beard. You've had some where you're like, okay, well, I think I put too much on that side because the beard's weighing you down. This doesn't. It just really put a spring in my beard for, so to speak. It's just good beard day, Now, the carrier oils on this thing are avocado oil, golden jojoba, grapeseed oil, sweet almond oil, premium essential and fragrance oils. Simple, straight to the point, just beautifully done, beautifully mixed, great proportions between them all. One is not outweighing the other. And frick, it works awesome in beard. It really, truly does. Now, if you're unfamiliar about beard oil and how to use it, totally cool, okay? Beard oil has 3 really, really good purposes, and besides, that's why we come to YouTube, to try to figure out stuff, right? One of the biggest things for beard oil is, well, getting in and delivering that vitamin supplement to your skin underneath your beard. Yes, the rumors are true. Beard oil is more for your skin under your beard than it is for your beard. Your body can only produce so many healthy oils in order to keep, your beard growing healthy, luxurious, long, just beautiful, and everything else without getting you the split ends and everything else. I know, tongue-tied today. Wow. But still, second great use for beard oil, as I've already touched on, it really gets in there and it really softens up your beard. So, when you've got your better half curling up next to you, you don't want that cactus feeling. You want that inviting, that's right, good beard day feeling. Come closer. And the third great use, I've already touched on that one too, is that scent profile. So when you find one that works for you, works for your better half, softens your beard up, makes everything good, just saying, that's a win-win-win right there. Now, how to use it? Real simple. Like I showed you with that eyedropper top. Get as much as you need in there. Well, I should say that you think you need if you're brand new to it. Put it in your hands, rub it together, work it in your beard, and I'll touch more on that in a moment. Just grim it out. Here's a good way to figure out if you've used way too much. Give it about 30 minutes and just do this. Run your hands gently right over the top. If you come up and you've got an oil slick, you've used way too much. So like I said, get in there, warm it up. That's when you really got to you nail that scent profile when it's there, and you'd be like, oh yeah. Work it into your beard all the way down to the skin. Grim it out. It is that simple. Those easy steps are going to help bring your beard in like you wouldn't believe. Okay, now here's the fun part of the video for me. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever, down below in the comment section. Have you used Rivertown Trading before? Have you had successes with them? Have you had failures with them? I'll tell you, this is my second oil with them. And this one, I think, outdid the first one that I got. And I just love that one, the Docks. Seriously loved it. I think Jake is freaking phenomenal. It's really rocketing up the charts for me for a favorite oil for 2020. Oh, yeah, hey, maybe I might want to do one of those lists one year real soon, Okay, so for you first-time viewers of the channel, I just want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there on YouTube, and I'm grateful that you're choosing this one. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question is why? What can I do to earn your subscription? Please leave me a comment down below and let's be constructive and see if I can work it into, an upcoming video. Now, after you've done that, take a look right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up in a moment. Go ahead, click on that thing. It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please, if you so choose, destroy the bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because it's going to enable yourself to be notified every single time my channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those great videos, 2 will be popping up over here somewhere. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they feel are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick rundown on Rivertown Trading Company's Jake Beard Oil. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope all of you have an incredible day today and you're being safe.